Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best multi-position ladders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Wakuka 7-in-1 Folding Aluminum Extension Ladder. This ladder is crafted to meet your varied height requirements while delivering flexibility with its 7 unique configurations, including A-frame, extension, 90-degree, and scaffolding modes. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum with double-thickness tubing at the corners, the Wakuka ladder is designed for safety and stability, supporting a maximum load of 330 pounds. It also features intelligent retraction and upgraded locking mechanisms for added security. The design is compact when folded at just 3.1 feet, making it easy to store and carry, yet when fully extended, it reaches up to 12 feet. Despite its sturdy build, the ladder weighs a manageable 27.4 pounds. However, its lower customer rating of 4.0 stars and limited customer feedback, only 4 reviews, might give potential buyers pause. While it includes useful accessories like counterbalance bars and non-slip foot covers, some users report that the locking mechanisms feel less robust compared to competitors. This ladder is ideal for light-duty tasks like indoor repairs and occasional outdoor use. Its affordable and lightweight design makes it a great choice for homeowners on a budget, but professionals looking for daily heavy-duty use might find it lacking. The Wakuka offers decent versatility, but falls short of the durability and reliability of higher-ranked options. Coming in at number 4 is the Valeo Ladder 11 Feet Multi-Position Ladder. Designed for safety and stability, this ladder features a unique stabilizer bar design that increases the contact area with the ground, providing excellent stability. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it resists wear, corrosion, and temperature changes, and has a weight capacity of 330 pounds. Its anti-slick features and embedded lock design ensure secure operation, while the removable tool tray adds extra convenience for tasks. While the Valeo ladder is ideal for both indoor and outdoor tasks, its maximum height of just under 39 inches when fully extended limits its versatility in comparison to larger ladders. At 20.2 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great choice for homeowners tackling smaller projects like painting, cleaning, or basic repairs. However, its customer rating of 4.1 stars from just 56 reviews suggests that it may not have the same level of popularity or reliability as some of the higher-ranked ladders. This ladder is perfect for those who prioritize portability and safety in a compact design. Its lower maximum height might not suit professionals or those needing a ladder for high-reaching tasks, but for light to medium-duty household jobs, it's a reliable and cost-effective option. At number 3, we have the Little Giant Conquest 2.0, a premium fiberglass ladder that's as durable as it is versatile. This 17-foot multi-position ladder can be configured as a step ladder, extension, staircase ladder, or even for 90-degree setups. Its lightweight, non-conductive fiberglass construction ensures safety for electrical tasks, while its high-visibility green design adds a layer of safety in busy environments. The Conquest 2.0 is built for heavy-duty use, boasting a weight capacity of 300 pounds and wide-flared legs for enhanced stability. It also features tip and glide wheels for effortless transportation and a weight-balanced carrying handle. However, at 42 pounds, it's the heaviest on our list, which could make it cumbersome for some users. Customer reviews are stellar, with a perfect 5.0 star rating, though the limited number of reviews, 7, means it's less tested in the market. This ladder is an excellent choice for professionals or serious DIYers who need a durable, reliable tool for demanding tasks. Its higher weight might be a drawback for those prioritizing portability, but for its versatility and build quality, the Conquest 2.0 is a solid investment. At number 2 is the Bryner 12 Feet Multi-Purpose Folding Ladder. With its 7-in-1 configuration, this ladder is highly versatile, accommodating tasks like roof access, scaffolding setups, and more. Made from aviation-grade aluminum with double-thickness tubed corners, It offers enhanced stability and a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds. The scaffolding function, complete with 2 high-strength steel plates, sets this ladder apart by offering a larger and more stable workspace. User-friendly design features include upgraded joint locks, made from hardened steel, which are 3 times more durable than traditional locks. At 34 pounds, the Bryner strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. It's also compact when folded, standing at just 3.1 feet tall, with a solid 4.3-star rating from 450 reviews. It's clear that users appreciate the ladder's practicality and durability. This ladder is perfect for homeowners and professionals alike, offering a great mix of versatility and stability. While slightly heavier than some competitors, its robust build and added functionality make it a strong contender for a variety of tasks. And finally, at number 1, we have the Little Giant Velocity M22, a 22-foot multi-position ladder that truly sets the standard for versatility and performance. This ladder can handle everything from A-frame and staircase positions to 90-degree wall setups. Its standout feature is the ratcheting leg levelers, which provide over 7 inches of leveling power, making it perfect for use on uneven terrain. Constructed from lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum, the Velocity is built to last, with a weight capacity of 300 pounds on each side, allowing 2 people to work simultaneously. Its tip and glide wheels make transportation a breeze, and the built-in tool tray keeps all your essentials within arm's reach. With a 4.7-star rating from nearly 8,000 reviews, the Velocity is a favorite among both professionals and DIYers. This ladder is ideal for anyone who needs a reliable, high-performing tool for a wide range of tasks. It's slightly heavier at 38.5 pounds, but offers unmatched stability and durability. For its combination of innovation, quality, and user satisfaction, the Little Giant Velocity M22 takes the top spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these ladders, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.